And this is a review of the Rosie and Rocky training collar with LCD display on the transmitter. So here's the transmitter. It's a very easy to hold little transmitter here. It does have a neck strap that you can choose to put on there if you wish. It's a two-part design, so you can detach the neck lanyard if you want, and this will just dangle off here, or you don't have to have that at all if you don't want. So it also comes with the AC adapter, how you charge the receiver or the collar, and this is 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, so this can be used internationally. And then here is the collar. On the front side here is a little rubber door that covers the charging port, so that's how you charge it right there. And then on the top there's simply a power button and a little LED to indicate that you've got power to this. Then you've got two different sets of prongs here. One is a longer set, and it's really the thickness of your dog's coat which is going to determine which one of these you use. If you've got a very thick coat, you'll want to use the longer contacts there. So you turn this on by pressing the power button for about a few seconds. Actually, this was already on, so I'll just turn it off. You just hold it for a few seconds to turn it off. You get a beep to let you know it's off. Then to turn it back on again, you just hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds, and then the LED will light up. This light will light for 4 seconds, and during that 4-second period of time is when you go to the transmitter and pair it. So that's how you pair it. Now, I did have some difficulty getting these two synced, and it took me several attempts. Finally, I had to remove the back cover, remove the batteries, and put the batteries back in, and that somehow seemed to reset this. And after doing that, then I was able to pair it successfully. This uses 3 AAA batteries, and they are provided. And so as far as the transmitter goes, you've got an OK button, you've got a little flashlight button. There's actually a small flashlight in this. It's not super bright, but you've got it there just nonetheless. So if you're walking your dog at night, that could be a little bit helpful for you, I suppose. In the middle is the mode button. So this has 3 different modes. It has a vibration mode, it has a sound mode, and then it has the static correction mode. And let's just be honest, it's a shock. So I don't like to use the shock, which is why this unit appealed to me, because it also has vibration and sound modes. And then the top right button is the level, and this is how you set the level of the static correction, shock, or the vibration. And then the bottom button is 1, 2, or 3. You can pair this to 3 different collars. So right now we're just dealing with 1 collar, so I'm going to put it on the 1, and then I'm going to put this to the sound mode, and just so you can maybe hear what the sound is like. It's very soft, but the dog can certainly hear it. Just a beep. And that's it. So depending on how you're training your dog, you may find that the beep is all you need. However, if you need a little more motivation, then the vibration is the way to go. Now, this has 4 different levels of vibration, and I'm going to put this on my countertop so you can hear it. Basically, the vibration changes frequency. So this is lowest setting, 1. Okay, 2. Higher frequency, can you hear that? 3, higher yet, and then 4 is the highest frequency. So basically you're just getting 4 different frequency levels of the vibration, and of course you don't hear that sound when it's actually on your dog, but they would just feel that vibration, and it's either a lower vibration or a higher vibration, frequency vibration. This seems to work really well. I do like the fact that it's got a backlight on it, and I'm not going to use the static correction, but I will be using the most of the time, and for that it has worked out for me. And it does come with a little testing light, basically just a bulb that has 2 leads coming off it. This is how to ensure that the static correction is working. So let me move the static correction mode. Now, the way that I set this up is I spread the wires out a little bit, and then I just gently place it in between the leads here, and then the spring tension will sort of hold it there, hopefully. And then when I push the you can see the light goes on, and that just confirms that the static is being delivered. So that's about it. I like the fact that this is rechargeable. Don't have to worry about replacing batteries in this. And this uses 3 AAA batteries, which should be fairly long lasting. I haven't had this long enough to determine how long that is exactly. And then the collar is pretty adjustable too. It does have the nylon strap. The quality construction on all these components is pretty decent. Ultimately, I would like to see maybe a little higher quality casing on both pieces here, but this is certainly serviceable and is working quite well for me. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll answer it if I can. Otherwise, thanks for watching.